Hey everyone, I'm Suleiman Khan, and in this video, we'll talk about the tile leveling spacers. Of course, this topic might seem a little bit small, but plays a big role in achieving that perfect tile installation. So what exactly are tile leveling spacers? Well, they are small but crucial tools used in tile installation to ensure that the tiles are properly aligned and have an even surface. These spacers come in various types, from clip-on spacers to edge spacers, and they work by maintaining an equal gap between tiles, preventing leakage, and ensure a smooth, professional finish. Now, why should we use tile leveling spacers? Remember, the benefits are clear. First, they eliminate any unevenness between tiles, creating a seamless and visually appealing surface. Secondly, they make the installation process faster and more efficient by simplifying the alignment process. This is especially handy for both DIY enthusiastic and professional tile installers. Now let's talk about how to use these spacers, which is a straightforward process, but getting it right is essential for a flawless finish. Step 1. Place the spacer between tiles. Step 2. Adjust the spacer until tiles are aligned. Step 3. Secure the spacer in place. Also remember to follow the manufacturer's instruction for the specific type of spacers you are using, as different products may have slight variation in their application. And that's it. Thanks for watching.